Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session, we discussed about situations happen in our life. There are a lot of situations. I think you are busy. I think you are busy. I thought you are busy. I thought you were busy. I think you will be busy. I thought you will be busy. Like that, 6 situations I explained, right? In previous session. And before that, memory activity also I explained. And here today, I would like to make you understand about listening activity. This listening activity is very, very important for getting the observation skills. How the person observed about the topic, about the conversation, and what he understood from that conversation. Okay, let me explain you. అంటే ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ జరుగుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ నుండి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం కదా, మనం వింటూ ఉంటే దాని నుండి మనం ఏం అర్థం చేసుకున్నాం, దాని నుండి మనం ఏం గ్రహించాం, అండ్ వాళ్ళ అవతల వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా మాట్లాడారు. లాట్ ఆఫ్ సజెషన్స్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ గివ్, రైట్? హౌ దే బిహేవ్ అండ్ హౌ దే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్ ఆర్ హౌ దే ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్. Like that, we can give some suggestions and we can learn lot of things. That is the activity, listening activity. Now here, listening activity, let me tell you about this. Now here, if you take 10 people. Now let me explain you with my example. Now starting with 10 people. If I take 10 people, then I will make it into 5 pairs. 5 pairs. In these 5 pairs, one pair means 1 plus 1, right? One pair. This is one pair, 1 plus 1. In this, one person is speaker, one person is listener. One person is speaker, one person is listener. Okay? First, I will give 10 random topics. 10 topics on cards. Okay, they have to select one card, pick the card. Okay, here 10 topics I give. Okay, with different like lottery system, lottery. Then they have to take one card, pick up the card. Then whatever topic they get, they have to speak on that. Here, speaker, he has to speak on the topic. Then the person listener should listen about the topic. If you take any about, for example, India, if you take. Okay, this is the topic, first topic. He got this. Then he must speak on India topic. Then listener should listen to the topic. Once he finish the topic, he has to come on to the stage. Then he should explain about how he explained, way of explanation. Second one, expressions, body language, content, eye contact. He has to say about these points. This person must explain about these all points. Understand my point? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ స్పీకర్ అనే అతను మనం 10 కార్డ్స్ని నేను ర్యాండమ్గా ఇస్తాను, అంటే లాటరీ సిస్టమ్గా 10 టాపిక్స్. ఒక టాపిక్ ఈయన సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాడు. ఫస్ట్ స్పీకర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఈ టాపిక్ పైన మాట్లాడతాడు. మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు లిజనర్ అనే అతను వింటాడు. ఈ టాపిక్ ఫినిష్ అయిన తర్వాత, వన్స్ ఈ ఫినిష్ దిస్ టాపిక్, దెన్ లిజనర్ షుడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ దిస్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్, వాట్ హీ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ వైల్ హీ స్పీకింగ్ ఆన్ దిస్ టాపిక్. ఈ టాపిక్ పైన ఈయన మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఏమేమి అబ్జర్వ్ చేశాడు, అతను ఏ విధంగా టాపిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాడు, ఆయన బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎట్లా ఉంది, ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి, టోన్ ఆఫ్ వాయిస్ ఆల్సో, టోన్ ఆఫ్ వాయిస్ ఎట్లా ఉంది, ఐ కాంటాక్ట్, కంటెంట్ ఎలా ఉంది. ఓకే, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హీ మస్ట్ గివ్ సమ్ అవుట్పుట్స్, either good or bad, or any improvements or suggestions he must give to the speaker. Same, then he will be the speaker, he will be the listener. Understand my point? In one pair, first he must be a speaker, he must be a listener. Then after that, vice versa. Then he will be the speaker and he will be the listener. Then same topic will continue. Means any other, he will pick one more topic. He will pick one more card and he will talk on the topic, because we have 10 cards. So 5 pairs, 10 people will get 10 topics. So he will get other. He will pick on randomly one pick a topic, and he will get one card, and he will be the speaker, he will be the listener. And same points he has to follow. From this listening activity, they can understand how he observed and how the way of explanation, okay, either he can make them understand or not. And expressions, facial expression, how he maintains, how the person maintains, then how the person body language, and content, he has good content or not, means whether the content is good, then only we can make the person interest or understand. Important points only we have to discuss. That is the main point here. Next, eye contact, how he maintains, how the person maintains. Next, tone of voice, high pitch or low pitch, where the person used to maintain. These are the observation skills first. Okay, from this activity we can easily observe this all. So this is the best activity when you are going for good communication. First, you should be a good listener. Listening skills are very, very important, I said already. So listening skills, these all. Okay, you can just follow this and just make it, like implement it in a proper way, so that you can get a good result. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.